start with the red side of the field. BC team 1391. That's the Moose working on getting that second game piece into the hybrid node. As on our blue side of the field, team 1676, the Pascack Pioneers, working on getting onto that charge station. Now our drivers are going to step forward and take those controls. As we see in the middle of the field, teams fighting for those game pieces. 5740 already has a cone in their possession, working on placing on the high node outer grid. However, it does land inside that hybrid node. In the middle of the field, we are still seeing game pieces being fought over as team 1391, that's the Moose, working on placing that cube into the low hybrid goal. And now they're grabbing another cone from the middle of the field, working on putting that inside of their community. However, they are running into some defense from 4575 as they shoot and score into the level 2 node from behind the charge station. Over towards our red side of the field, we see 1391 placing another cone on the high node, while team 103, that's the Cybersonics, working on placing a cone on the high node as well, and that does fall. With just over 75 seconds left, we're going to head back towards our blue side of the field as we see 4575, that's Gemini, just loading that community with game pieces, trying to move as quickly as they can. And now we see team 5740 switching to playing a little bit of defense here, working to slow down team 1218. Seeming to do a great job of that, stopping that. And 1218 loses the game piece, trying to avoid that defense. It looks like 1676 on the blue side of the field did free themselves from the grid, and now they're back to scoring, picking up the cube off of the floor and loading it into the mid-level of their grid. We still see 5740 playing tough defense on team 1218, as it looks like they're able to knock another cone free from their grid. That whistle means we are in endgame. We're going to start seeing those balances come through. We already have 5740 balanced our Blue Alliance, 4575 Gemini looking to join them on the red side of the field. We do see 1218 already on the charge station, with 1391 looking to join them. However, they're still cleaning up that community with just 8 seconds left. We see 2 Blue Alliance balance, 2 Red Alliance balance. Both of those central hard in their community for the end of the